Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I hope कि आप सब तैयार हैं to learn this really amazing, again easy. मेरे सारे recipes are easy, family style. Yeah, so I hope you like this. But before that, a very happy New Year to you all. It's my first show after the New Year, so I want to wish you आप सबको Happy New Year, and I hope 2021 is much better for all of us. And maybe I can come and visit India. Yeah, so let's talk about what we're going to make today. तो आज हम lasagna बनाने वाले हैं. It's an Italian dish, a very traditional Italian dish where we use these flat noodles. ये पास्ता है, just like पनीर पास्ता, bow tie pasta. ये भी पास्ता के noodles हैं, मगर they're made like this, flat. Some have a curly edge, some have flat edge, so it doesn't matter. तो आपको बाजार में ये बॉक्स में मिलेगा. It's like a box, it lasts for a while. और बॉक्स में जो instructions हैं, just follow that. And मैंने 9 ऐसे noodles boil करके रखे हैं. It takes about 10 minutes. So hot boiling water with a little bit of salt, dash of oil. वो noodles को मैंने तैयार करके रखा हुआ है, बॉईल करके. एंड नाउ इस नूडल्स में, अच्छा ट्रेडिशनल लजानिया में ये नूडल्स को ऐसे फ्लैट बेकिंग ट्रे में डालते हैं. उसके ऊपर दे पुट पास्ता सॉस, एनी काइंड ऑफ फिलिंग, इवन इफ इट्स जो हम बनाने वाले हैं स्पिनच, रिकोटा, व्हाटएवर, दे पुट इट ऑल एंड दे लेयर इट एंड दे बेक इट फॉर आवर्स. तो हमने उसे चेंज कर दिया है. वी हैव मेड इट इजियर. We're going to put the stuffing and roll these up. It's going to be much easier, much faster. और ये बहुत easily आप पहले prep करके रख सकते हैं before your guests come या बच्चे आते हैं स्कूल से, या फिर फ्रिज में रखा हो तो you can heat it up. It's really really easy. So I'll come to this. So before we do that, let's talk about what's going to go inside. Okay, ये filling हम किससे बनाने वाले हैं. So we're going to use पालक. मैंने पालक को धो के ठीक से निचोड़ के छोटा छोटा काटा हुआ. यू कैन यूज फ्रोजन स्पिनच विच इज जस्ट एज गुड. सो अबाउट 2 cups of frozen or fresh spinach, washed, the liquid has been squeezed out and chopped. And about 2 cup, same amount, ये रिकोटा चीज है. हमारे यहाँ मिशिगन में या एनीवेयर यू डिब्बे में भी मिलता है, बट दिस इज बेसिकली चना. आप अमूल का होल मिल्क यूज करिए एंड ब्रेक इट, जैसे आप पनीर बनाते हैं, एंड जस्ट स्क्वीज द वाटर आउट एंड योर चना इज रेडी. एंड वो आप यूज करें. दैट्स आवर सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन इन दिस डिश. ठीक है. सो अगेन, होल व्हीट मिल्क का चना और रिकोटा चीज इन द मार्केट. ये पास्ता सॉस है. About 2.5 cups of pasta sauce. You use as much as you like. But जब हम पूरा वो जो सेट करेंगे, you will see how much we use. Now the pasta sauce आप घर में बना सकते हैं. I have a very good recipe for that. मेरे पहले वाले cooking shows में मैंने pasta sauce on the show बनाया है, but I can always share the recipe with you. मेरे comments में please ask and I will share. Otherwise, bottled, it's okay. और ये mozzarella cheese है. Again, about 2 cups. We'll use it as we go along. ठीक है. और now for our, of course we have to spice it up. Because it's dripping. ठीक है. So we have Italian seasoning. तो Italian seasoning में मैं rosemary, thyme, oregano, red chili flakes and some garlic powder मैं मिक्स करके रखती हूँ. बट बेसिकली the oregano and rosemary, thyme, whatever you have. Okay, Italian seasoning. ये लाल paprika, लाल मिर्च पाउडर, coarsely ground. ये black pepper है, मैंने coarsely ground किया हुआ है. Of course, red chili flakes. ठीक है. और नमक. These are the only spices we'll use. And to make it zingy, this is a red chili pepper, jalapeno. मगर आप कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं या नहीं यूज करना है, it's entirely up to you. Just add a little heat. थोड़ा सा मिर्च ज्यादा. This is garlic, chopped into slices. Onion, this is purple onion. मैंने slice करके रखा हुआ है. All these are optional. आप जो डालना चाहे डालें या फिर you can totally skip it. Okay, some cherry tomatoes. Now we have Parmesan cheese. Okay, so now in a traditional lasagna, when you're mixing the spinach, ricotta, etc., उन लोग अंडे डालते हैं उसमें to make it bind. Because we do not use eggs, we have an option. ये plain दही है, about 2 बड़े चम्मच and 1 चम्मच cornstarch. We're going to mix this and add it to our mixture. तो ये हमारा egg substitute है. It will help bind everything together ताकि वो जब bake करेंगे it won't just melt away. ठीक है? So these are my ingredients. I don't think I'm forgetting anything. So I have turned my oven on to 180 degrees centigrade. तो मैंने अभी 15 मिनट हो गए. It's hot, ready to go. That's the right way to use the oven. So आपके जो temperature चाहिए आप पहले से ही उसे on करके make sure that it has reached that level before you put your food in. ठीक है? All right. We can get started. So I have a bowl. I'm going to mix the ricotta.
Mahua is saying hi to you.
Hi, Mahua. Always good to see you. ठीक है? तो ये रहा हमारा चना. Yeah, it looks like a lot, but you know, हमारे 9 noodles. It's a big dish. It will serve at least 4 to 6 people. हमारा पालक. तो ये जो mozzarella है, I'm going to put some here and some we'll top it off. ठीक है? तो 2 चम्मच मैंने वहाँ डाल दिया वो. All right, another spoonful of Parmesan cheese. All right, ये जो हमारा cornstarch and yogurt, I'm just going to mix it first and then add it. You can do anything you want. There. मिला दिया. I'm going to just dump it all in. So a little bit about myself. To those who don't know me, so I was born in Mumbai, but I've been in Michigan for the past 28, 29 years. बहुत साल हो गए. So this is home. मगर we have made life comfortable for us, and we've hung on to our Indian roots and learned our American life, and it's good. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं डालूंगी Italian seasoning. Again, this is up to your taste. आप जितना चाहे. Black pepper, paprika. ठीक है? At this point, I will put, because हमें थोड़ा spice चाहिए होता है, so I'm going to put some peppers in this. ठीक है? About a spoonful. Not to forget salt. Good. And I'm going to just stir it all up. So आप अगर चाहे तो you can add mashed potatoes. You can add if you eat meat, anything that you want. It doesn't matter. Or also I'll show you when we make the roll-ups. You can make different kinds. कोई spinach का होगा, कोई zucchini. You can be so creative with this dish. It's actually fun, very fun.
Can cheese be used instead of Parmesan? But that's okay.
Yes, absolutely. आप Amul, मैंने mozzarella use किया है and Parmesan. But if Parmesan's hard to find, skip it. There. ठीक है. There. I'm going to just clear up a few things before we continue.
The question is chena paneer.
Yes. So जो पनीर को चना को लेके हम बांध के वेट डाल के वी मेक पनीर, राइट? एक दिन बाद, मगर दिस इज जस्ट द, जैसे आप कोई मिठाई बनाने के लिए चना बनाते हैं, सेम चना. Okay, are we ready? Let me get my baking dish. So I'm going to use a dish. I'm going to use a dish like this. You can use anything, rectangular, square, round. थोड़ा सा deep होना चाहिए so that it kind of all cooks in together. ठीक है? So step one is to put. So we'll just start with making our base ready. All right. So again, this is regular pasta sauce, tomatoes, oregano, basil, some onion, garlic, just cooked up together till it becomes thick. ठीक है, मैं आप please comments में message करिए and I will share the pasta sauce recipe with you. ठीक है, तो आप अच्छी तरह से एक layer, good layer of pasta sauce to cover the base. We'll need more of that later. I need it to be very, there you go. Okay, so yeah. Now I'm gonna spice this up. I'm gonna put a little bit of chili flakes.
Shilpa is online.
Hi Shilpa. Shilpa will be tasting this later. Okay. That a little bit more of the Italian seasoning. Again, it's your choice. At this point, अगर आपको और Indian spices डालने तो go ahead. I do it all the time, and I think it's really cool. I enjoy it. तो आप अपने taste के हिसाब से you can spice it up or low, however you like. ठीक है, let's now. Okay, this is my silicone working sheet. And I आराम से उसे आप clean कर सकते हैं, store कर सकते हैं. I just love it. इस पे आटा you can make. मैं अपना रोटी roll करती हूँ. I just use it for everything. So I'm going to set up my noodles. So it's boiled. It took about 10 minutes. ठीक है, वो lasagna के box पे आपको सारे instructions होंगे. Hot water, salt, a little bit of oil, just a little, ताकि it doesn't stick, and you're ready to go. Any more questions?
Komala is asking for the recap of the filling.
Of the filling. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. So we have ricotta cheese, about 2 cups, 2 cups of washed and chopped, squeezed dry spinach. So palak, ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, a little bit of parmesan, or wo jo dahi and cornstarch, just to make it stiffer, the filling, or hamare spices, Italian seasoning, black pepper, paprika, and salt.
And a quick recall on the sheets because that's a few
Alright,
questions.
so this is a pasta noodle called lasagna. So traditionally इसको हम ऐसे boil करके we kind of layer it and put our filling. So this I have changed. So I'm going to use this to make pasta rolls. It takes about 10 minutes to cook. 10 minutes in boiling water with a little salt, thoda sa oil, and then they will be like this.
So are these sheets like ready-made?
Ready. You'll find it in the store in a box. You know what? मैं अपना box दिखाती हूँ. I'll show. Right there.
Yeah, that'll be
So
best.
this is the box
Yes, that's
lasagna
perfect.
which I used, and normally they make it like that, like this picture shows. It's layers and layers of this noodles and whatever stuffing you want in the middle with cheese. Ours is gonna look different.
And how do you boil them?
Just take a big pan, pot, पानी भरिए ठीक से, उसमें थोड़ा सा नमक, थोड़ा सा oil. When it comes to a boil, just ये जो noodles है उसमें just dump them in, and 10 minutes में they'll be done. Soft.
Are the sheets vegetarian?
Yes, they all. This is all 100% vegetarian.
And do they tear off when you bring it out of the water?
No, no. See, they're pretty sturdy. Thick हैं. They're pretty sturdy. So no. So you'll use about 1/3 of a cup of filling. ठीक है, and इसको ऐसे ही just spread it out. Yeah, this will be a good time for questions because.
Yeah, that's.
All right, you're gonna fill it up. But yeah, so I'm gonna just roll this. But this would be a time when you would put like a piece of zucchini या फिर eggplant, you know, roasted bangan. You can add that. You can add just about anything to this. About this point, right? उसको flat कर दीजिए. You can also add more spice to it. अगर आपको मिर्च पसंद है, हरी मिर्च डाल सकते हैं आप. It doesn't matter. And you roll it up, just like that. ठीक है, और ये जो seam नीचे है, put it right into your pan.
Can you add broccoli?
Yes, but you'll have to mince the broccoli. You can add mushrooms. मगर you know whatever veggies you want, if you can cook it a little ताकि वो soft हो जाए and it will not lump ना रहे उसके.
Isha is saying hi and she's asking for the recipe.
Isha? Hi Isha. You know the recipe is in the description. मगर I can always message you. Let me know. आपको I can send it to you, but it is in the description of this.
Indu is asking about your YouTube channel.
Smita's Urban Kitchen on YouTube, on Instagram. Please follow me or Facebook. Yeah, I do post recipes often. Or the best thing about my recipes or what I like about my own cooking is that I cook with things which are healthy, fresh, colorful. मुझे color is a big deal, and I work almost full time as a physical therapist. So my cooking allows me to do both. ये नहीं है कि वो भी करना ये भी करना stress हो जाए. No, cooking is easy, clean up is easy. Homemade food, the key to it all. ठीक है, तो आप ठीक से generous amount डालिए. Roll it up and then stick it right in. Alright, I've got 4 more to go. So this could be a main dish, like it could be your centerpiece. आज dinner में ये है या, or you could make anything else on the side, roasted vegetables, a big salad. या कुछ और, and make this part of the meal. But it is so tasty and filling and satisfying कि it can be your main. Usually lasagna जब लोग बनाते हैं, it is that is a center.
Can it be used this in ravioli?
Yes, you could. You could use, and you know what else I was thinking जब मैं ये बना रही थी, the other day I bought shells, बड़े shells. Macaroni shells, and I was thinking कि ये जो stuffing है, it'll be so good in just that. So I think the next time I'm gonna try making shells with. तो मैंने एक tray बना के रखा है. I just made it, so I'm excited to show you how it will look when it's done. So yeah, I like Italian food, just like Indian food. हमारा जो खाना है, we use fresh ingredients and we use, we actually use our hands to. It just adds so much flavor to it and love, right? It's very close to Indian food, and आप उसको spice it up any way you want. So if you make this alone for dinner, तो आप इसके साथ एक salad or bread, garlic bread or just regular Italian bread आप serve करेंगे तो it'll be your kids, your family will love it. Trust me. There you go. My last noodle. अब थोड़ा ज़्यादा बच गया था.
So one question is, if you're doing non-veg, what time? When do we eat chicken cooked, or when do we do this?
I would cook it. I would cook the chicken and add it to the filling. You could use minced chicken, mince karke, yeah. If you're using pieces, this would be a great time. You know, after putting this, you could just add your chicken bits to it and you will roll it up. Your roll may be a little thicker, but that's fine.
How can it be done without being tangy?
Without being tangy?
Yeah.
You mean the
Tangy.
pasta sauce?
Yeah.
Follow my recipe. Trust me, it's not. So the thing is, वो जो tang या फिर वो acidic nature of tomatoes, उसको to lose that, you have to cook it well first of all and add a little bit of sugar to it. So आप अपने सारे regular spices or this or onion, garlic, जो whatever you put, but the tomatoes have to cook till that red color and that rawness goes. और उसमें अगर आप थोड़ा सा चीनी डालेंगे, तो that's what cuts the tanginess and the acid flavor. It's good for your stomach. There you go. Perfect. ठीक है? Now we're going to top this. Again, your choice. अगर आप you know, you can put as much sauce. Trust me, when it cooks together with the cheese, वो tangy tomato ऐसे नहीं लगेगा. You need it. You need this much sauce. Okay, so what I do is just to enhance the flavor. ये जो garlic मैंने slice करके रखे हैं ना, just put it inside the. Again, this is optional. We like garlic and onion and you know all these things. So फिर मैंने use किया है, but it's up to you. So when it bakes, the garlic actually becomes soft or sweet. It's really good. Try it. And ये जो again onions, optional. You know, just put it in the middle. ये जो grooves है ना, just add them in. So it will all cook together. You can use purple onion, you can use white onion, you know, बहुत mild होती है, the white shallots. You can use what you want, or...
Is it raw garlic or cooked?
Yeah, this is just raw. Raw garlic, raw onion, just for flavor, extra flavor. But again, it's optional. Okay, now I'm going to use my mozzarella cheese. I'm going to really go all out. Okay, and some more Parmesan. Chili flakes, everything आपके स्वाद के अनुसार. Okay, don't hold yourself to anything. And then ये जो रह गए थे, बच गए थे, I'm gonna just put it right on top. There you go. So now this is ready to go in the oven. So the thing of putting in the oven is 20 minutes, cook it covered, and 10 minutes open. So 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes covered, 10 minutes without.
Can they use olives?
Yeah, why not? That sounds good actually. Alright, I'm going to stick it in and put a timer. There you go. So I'm going to bring you the pot that I made. I might need that. So ये मैंने बनाया था. So this is what it's going to look like on this plate. And you can garnish it with parsley and basil.
They're asking, can we use aluminum in microwave, but you put it in the oven?
Yeah, I put it in the oven.
So can you explain?
Yeah, can't use foil in the microwave, huh? First, and then I'm just gonna rip up ये जो basil leaves हैं. I'm just gonna tear them.
And did we use butter?
No, no butter, no oil, absolutely nothing. There you go. Just to make it look nicer. Garam hai. So the tomatoes, this is what I like about it. Mera spoon here. So the tomatoes kind of bake and become like, look at that, squishy. It is really fun to eat these cherry tomatoes. It's so actually our dish is ready. I'm going to show you how it looks when we cut into it. So actually we don't have to like literally cut into it because हमारे noodles separate हैं. I'm just using this to open it up. Let's give it that plate. There you go. Oh. It's gooey.
Oh, beautiful.
Good, right? And this is our second noodle. I'm going to put 2. Oh wow. That's a big plate. And then some basil leaf. So, you know, our lasagna roll up is ready. You just bite into it and go. Yeah. So yeah, you can serve this salad ke saath, bread ke saath, by itself, with something else as a side. It's up to you. So I hope you liked it and enjoyed my show, and I hope to see you guys soon. Follow me on Instagram, Smita's Urban Kitchen, Facebook, and YouTube. The same, Smita's Urban Kitchen. And until next time, stay safe, happy and healthy.
One more question.
One more question.
Can it be reheated?
Yes, easily. So whatever's
would you
left
reheat it?
over, you saran wrap it, refrigerator, but you can also freeze it. I mean, if you're into freezing, and just reheat it in the microwave or the oven, and it's ready to go. All set?
Good.
Thank you so much for your time.